and this operator R. Okay, now. So I can't go to directly, right? Because equal operator, we are comparing with how many values here? Single value comparisons only possible, but multiple values we can't. Okay, now. Next, suppose in the same pattern here, let me go. In place of this, suppose if I'm writing inner query also, select the job from EMP where, okay, na? EMP where E name is equals to Smith or E name is equals to Martin. Okay, na? This is what. Even though, okay, and we all of you know your single, okay, your subquery returns more than one value, but I'm using equal operator. Again, what it was say, single row subquery returns more than one value, more than one value. So it means that this is also not going to be happen because more than one value we written here. So equal operator not supporting in this case. So then what I want to use to comparing more than one values means yes, there we are using okay in operator. So now you have to write select the star from EMP where job in of select job from EMP where E name is equals to Smith or E name is equals to Martin. Okay, now? So now I'm giving now. Then you can see. So what it was happening, you can see here. So here it was showing Smith is working as a clerk and remaining clerk people will come to you. And Martin is working as a salesman. The salesman people also coming to us. Okay, now? So this is what now in operator, where you want to use in operator means whenever we are comparing some group of values. Okay. And one more thing I want to ask you. So can I write like this here now? So this is our query, right? This is our query. Okay. So same query in my inner level, can I write like this? In place of R operator, I'm using comma. I'm using comma and E name in. Okay. So I'm going to close this inner query. Yes. Can I write like this now? Is it any problem here to writing like this? Yeah, there is no problem. So you have to write like this and same output is we got it. Okay, now? Right. So this is what we called as a, okay, more than one value when your subquery was written, then how the more than one values we are comparing by using of one of the operator is called as a in operator. Okay, right. So either this or this, anyone you can use. This is what. Next example you can see now. What is one more example? Right. Okay. Employee details. Employee details. Employee details. So who are getting the first and okay, otherwise who are getting the minimum and maximum salary from EMP table. Okay, question understand now? I want to display employee details who are getting minimum and maximum salary from EMP table. Minimum and a maximum salary I'm asking. First tell me question understand all of you. The question is clear all of you, come on. Oh. So already we know minimum function, maximum functions. So now my question is what now? Which employee is getting minimum salary and which employee is getting maximum salary? Those people data I wanted. Okay. And your functions are min and max. Can you try anybody? Come on, guys. Will you try? Okay. Take 5 minutes of time. Take 5 minutes and try it. All of you try it. Take 5 minutes. Okay. Right. Try all of you. Okay, last 1 minute. Okay, right. So time is over. Now you can check it out. Okay, somebody's tried here. Okay, fine. Now, how to write here? First, I need to get here. Okay, select a star from EMP where salary. So here, min salary, max salary. So that means first I'm going to showing. Suppose are you passing? Select a min salary, comma max salary. Okay, from EMP table, for example. Okay, so when we are going to taking now, your minimum salary and maximum salary, the both information, sir, we are getting now. Okay, so fine. So my in my EMP table, my minimum salary 800, maximum salary 5,000. We got it. That's okay. But the same query, if I'm using in my subquery statement, select star from where in of select min of salary, comma max of salary from EMP table I was given. Okay, na? Yeah, the problem is what, sir? Means that the problem is this is your inner query, yes or no? This inner query, whatever it was executed, and your inner query returns. Okay, na? Your inner query returns. How the inner query returns here? Inner query returns. Okay, and that means your inner query returning values in two columns wise. In two columns wise. But my outer query, where condition, how many columns? Come on, guys. In outer query, where conditional, how many columns here I'm using? Single column. So outer query, one column. And inner query, two columns it will be showing. So this is not acting. So multiple columns are it was showing that. But my outer query, conditional column is what now? Single column. But it was showing, okay, multiple. So when you execute like this, what it was happening, you can see, it was showing now, okay, error. So what it was saying to me, in okay, too many values it will be showing us. Too many values. Understand now? So this is not the way to write correct. Okay, my subquery statement. Then is there any other solution, guys, here? So we can't write like this here. Is there any other solution? Very good. So here we have what is that? That is called as a union operator. So union operator already we discussed in early classes. We all of you know. Okay. So what is the purpose of union operator, guys? Union purpose is what? Combination. Yes or no? The first I'm going to writing here. Select min of sal from EMP. Union select max of sal from EMP. Now see. So minimum value, maximum value was written in how many columns wise your data was written here? In how many columns wise your data was written here? One column. So my inner query result also showing as a one column wise. My outer query where condition is also having a one column. So one column is equals to one column. The number of columns are matching. So when it was matching, you can see how I'm writing now. So outer query select a star from EM. Where salary in off. The salary in offer. Then select min of sal. Okay, from EMP. And I'm using union. Select max of sal from EMP. And now I need to close and execute. Then after you can see the minimum salary and maximum salary employee details, sir, we got it. Okay, now. So this is in operator how I can use, and union operators also how to use in our subcourse understanding now. Yes. The same as, can you try one more example? Write a query to display employee details who are getting who are getting maximum salary, who are getting maximum salary from each job wise. So question carefully understand first of all. I want to display employee details who are getting maximum salary, from each jobs wise. I'm telling. First, what I want to do, guys. First, what I need to find out maximum salary of each job. Yes or no? Yes or no? Come on. Yes. Maximum salary of each job. So now come back and see when come to your table. And come to your table. So now one by one jobs we can find out. For example, clerk here also there, here also there, here also. Here, here 1100, 950, and 1300. So in clerk job, what is the highest salary here? Yes, 1300 is the highest salary. Okay, now like this, I have here how many jobs? Clerk job, salesman job, manager job, president job, analyst job. Total how many jobs here? 5 jobs. From each job, who is the maximum salary? What is the maximum salary? Salesman, okay. Manager, what is the maximum salary? President, what is the maximum salary? Analyst, what is the maximum salary? So from each job, I need to find out maximum salary. Now tell me, how to find out maximum salary from each job? Is there any concept early? Okay, we discussed in early classes. Hmm. Okay, na group by. How to write group by? First, how to write for group by? First, select job, comma max of salary from EMP. Group by job. So this is first what we are going to do. Each job wise, maximum salary find out. Yes or no, guys? Yes. Okay, right. Okay, right. So now this is what each job wise the maximum salaries are we find out. Then what I want to do, these maximum salaries from each job, which employee is getting. The which employee is getting this. So that employee I have to write. How to write? Select a star from EMP where salary in of select the max of salary from EMP. What I want to use group by job. Group by job. Understand now? So now we can see. So inner query already executed here and executed. Okay, this complete output will come to you. Okay. So and outer query, this was execute now. So now we got it each job wise highest salary because Alan is a salesman, highest salary 1600. Okay. Next one, Jones manager 297 fee. Scott analyst 3000. King president 5000. Fraud analyst 3000. Miller clerk 1300. So we find out. And one more thing is what now? Here, analyst job, there are two employees are there. Okay, they're getting same salary. That's why the two people information is we got it. Understand my point now? So this is what now from each job. So which employee is getting highest salary? That informations we got it. Okay, right. Now the same way, I will give one more example. Try this one. Write a query to display the senior most employee. The senior most employee. Senior most employee details from each department number wise. But here seniority people I'm asking. Okay, now? So now find out here. So senior most employee details, I want to find out from each department number wise. Question understand now? Yes or no? Come on. So now senior most employees, how to find out? Try this, all of you. Yes, because already we discussed in starting classes, see date required. Based on high date, you have to find out. And each department number. Each department number means what now? Again, I want to use a group by now. Come on, guys. Yes. Now all of you write down. So take 4 minutes of time. Write down. Take 4 minutes and write down. Write down all of you. Okay, right. So your time is over. And let me see, guys. So each department number wise, we need to find out what now? Senior most employees. So first, how to write my inner query here? Select, okay, department number, comma. Senior means what I said, min. Min of hire date. Min of hire date from EMP table. So group by department number. So in the group by department number, so 10th department, 9th June 1981, he is a senior employee. 2017 December 1918. 30 February 1981. Okay, these are the seniors. So these people information I have to know it details. I have to know the details of employee. So where which I was use a higher date in offer. Now what I'm writing here, select min of higher date, min of higher date from EMP group by department number. Okay, now then you can see. So here department number 10, okay, senior most employee clerk. Department number 20, senior most employee Smith, and department number 30, senior most employee Ellen. So in my table, only three departments are there. In my table, only three departments are there: 10, 20, and 30. Okay, now so like we can use okay in operator when you comparing more than one value, guys. The more than one value purpose, you have to use a in operator. So in operator, now you got it now some idea how to do. Yes or no? By seeing of these examples, now you get some idea or not? So in operator, how we can use on more than one value comparison. Okay, now right. And next one, here two more operators are there: any and all. So what is any and what is all? Let me come out carefully observe that. First, I will discuss with you the operator definition. Okay, any operator. So any operator, how it was working, guys, here. What list of in the list of values, if any one value will be satisfied here, then it returns true. Okay, now so that means what I'm saying here, it return a value, it return a value if any one value is satisfied is satisfied satisfied, any one value is satisfied, okay, with user defined condition, with user defined condition from the list of values, from the list of values, from the list of values, then it returns true. Otherwise, okay, na? What it means, sir? I have some confusion, sir, here. So confusion I will avoid. Suppose I'm using, guys, here careful object x greater than any of 10 comma 20 comma 30. So 10 comma 20 comma 30, these are the list of values. Got it my point now? Suppose here I'm asking 45 I'm sending now. So that means in this expression, x value, how much I need to substitute? Come on, guys. How many value I need to substitute? 45. So now can you substitute 45 here? And the 45 is comparing now. We just compare careful. 45 is greater than 10. Satisfied? 10. Condition true or false? Come on. Condition true. So condition true. Next one. 45 is greater than 20. Condition true. 45 is greater than 30. condition true. So in the list of values, whatever it was, all values are satisfied here. All values are satisfied. So that's why x is equals to 45 returns what? True. But we are expected any one only we expected. Any one value satisfied, it's enough because I'm using what now? Any operator. Any operator I'm using. So if any one value satisfied, it's enough for me. Okay, but unfortunately, all values are satisfied with my given conditional value. With my given conditional value, all are satisfied. So this is true. Okay, fine. Next, suppose next, so x is equals to 8 I was given. Second value I want to compare. So that means here x plus how much I want to give? 0, 8. Now compare here. 8 is greater than 10. Come on. 8 is greater than 10. Condition for false. Condition 8 is greater than 20. Condition false. 8 is greater than 30. Condition false. So all are false here, but I'm expecting any at least any one should be true. But the problem is what now? All are false. Your output for this x is equals to 8 is a totally false now? Definitely. The totally false. Next one. X is equals to 25 I was given for example. Same 25 you need to substitute. Now 25 is greater than 10. Condition true or false? True. 25 is greater than true or false? True. 25 is greater than 30. False. But tell me how many values are satisfied here? 2 values. Out of 3, 2 values are satisfied. But any operator, what it was saying that any one value satisfied, it true now? Yes or no? We are expecting any. Yes or no? 2 values are satisfied means what it was returns, it is also returns what now? True. Come on, guys. Now this logic understand all of you? Any operator logic understand? Okay, right. The same as okay, so next operator, all operator. All operator, what it was saying, it return it return a value. It return a value. Okay. If all values satisfied with the user defined condition, with user defined condition from the given list of values, the given list of values. Okay, then it returns, true. Otherwise, so all in the name only there. All means every value should be true. Every value should be true. Okay. Now same example I will take now. Same example I will take now. But in place of any, I'm using all. Okay, same value. Now 45. Now I'm showing 45. 45 value compared to each and every one. So 40. Yes. 45 is greater than 20. Satisfied? Yes. 45 is greater than 30. Satisfied? Yes. So that means all are true now. Come on, all are true or not? Yes, all are true. So true. Okay, fine. Next, 0. So now compare here. 8 is greater than 10. False. 8 is greater than 20. False. 8 is greater than 30. False. So here all are false, huh? Yes. There is no return value. Okay now? Right. Now compare here 25. 25 is greater than 10. Yes, true. 25 is greater than 20. Yes, true. 25 is greater than 30. False. So here how many true? Two values. One value is false. The total what it was saying? Total. True or false? Yes, because I want to satisfy all values, but your two values only satisfied. That's why it was returns false. Got it now? All and any definitions understood now? How it was? Yes. So these are the any and all operator. Okay. Let me see example on this. Write a query to display employees whose salary is more than all sales is more than all salesman salaries. Okay now? First, what we need to find out here, all salesman salaries are find out. Let me come out. Select sal from EMP, where job is equals to salesman. So these are totals. There are 4 salesmen are there here. So salaries are, we got it. Okay now? Right. So now my table is EMP. Now compare, guys. Compare each and every value. Okay. First value I'm comparing. Careful observe. First employee value 800. My question is what now? Salary which is greater than all salesmen salaries. 1250, 1500. Okay, now compare. Now salary how much? 800. Salary is how much here? 800. 800 is greater than 1600. True or false, sir? 800 is greater than 1600. True or false? False. 800 is greater than 1250. False. 800 is greater than 1500. False. So all are false. 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 Value returns or no returns? So this value no return. Next one is called as a 1600. Next one is called as a 1600. Now compare 1600 salary. 1600 is greater than 1600. False. 1600 is greater than 1250. Is greater than 1500. True. So your two values are true, one value is false. But all operator, what it was saying that all values should be satisfied. So this will become no. So like each and every value of your table column, compare with these values. Okay, na? Concept understanding now? In this, okay, in this, how many employees are like that? Select star from EMP where salary is greater than all of select sal from EMP where job is equals to salesman. The job is equals to salesman. Okay, now you can see. Now we can observe your salesman salary, sir. I just go to call again. I'm calling again salesman salaries. Okay. Now check it out. All are satisfied. Huh? 1600 you can compare with the all. 1600 greater than 2450. Yes, true. 28, yes, true. 29, yes, true. 3000, yes, true. 3000, yes, true. 5000. All are satisfied. So 1250, 1500 you can compare with your all are satisfied. Okay, na? So this is how we can go to right now. All are true. So that was satisfied. Okay, na? Right. Same as I'm asking this question in another manner. So this employee details whose salary is more than any salesman salary. What I'm saying here, any salesman salary. So here where I want to change, here I want to change. In place of this, I'm using any. That's it. If I'm using any and to execute this one, any one crisper, then satisfied. So these are the people. Any one condition is okay, na? Right. So this is what we operate like this. Okay, na? So these are multi-row subquery, and in this three operators we are using in, all, any. Okay, na? Right. Yes. And next, the next subquery. What is my next subquery? Okay. My next subquery is called as what now? Multiple column subquery. Okay, and these multiple columns are in tomorrow class. Okay, now in tomorrow